PC gaming used to be the cheapest way to play games. You bought one PC, you upgraded it slowly, you played everything. That was the deal. But today, PC gaming is quietly turning into a rich people hobby, and most gamers haven't even realized it yet. 10 years ago, PC gaming made sense. A mid range PC could last years. You didn't need the best GPU, you didn't need the newest CPU. Games were optimized, settings mattered, skill mattered. Now, a mid range PC struggles at launch, not after years, on day one. People still say PC gaming is flexible. Just lower the settings. You don't need Ultra. But modern games don't work like that anymore. Lower settings don't fix. Stutters, shader compilation, broken optimization, CPU bottlenecks. You don't lose quality, you lose playability. Let's talk numbers. GPUs doubled in price. CPUs got more expensive, motherboards became luxury items. But did games get twice as good? No, they got heavier, more demanding, less optimized. You pay more to get the same experience. That's not progress, that's inflation. Before, upgrading made sense. Now upgrading feels like gambling. You upgrade the GPU, CPU bottleneck. You upgrade the CPU, motherboard change. You change motherboard, new RAM. One upgrade pulls three more. That's not a hobby. That's a financial trap. This is where the shift happens. Consoles offer fixed price, fixed performance, no upgrade stress PC gaming offers, constant spending, constant tweaking, constant disappointment. PC gaming stopped being simple, and simplicity always wins. Let's be honest. Modern PC gaming works best for people with high salaries, people in rich countries, people who upgrade often, not students, not average workers, not developing countries. The barrier isn't skill anymore, it's money. The worst part? Gamers blame themselves. My PC is bad. I should have bought better. I need to upgrade. No, the system changed, not you. PC gaming didn't get better, it just got more expensive. PC gaming isn't dead, but it's no longer equal. It's becoming louder, shinier, richer, and quietly pushing normal players out. PC gaming didn't disappear, it just changed who it's made for. And if this still feels familiar, then you already know. This hobby isn't meant for everyone anymore.